Hi, I'm Lucas Whitmer. I'm a product development engineer here at the MK Morse Company, and today we're going to talk about a quick tech tip to improve the life of your reciprocating saw blades. Most people, when they buy a new recip saw, they kind of take for granted that this piece right here, called the shoe, is adjustable. It can move back and forth. So we can scoot this out and use different teeth in our cut. Most people, when they buy it, they put it all the way back, tighten this clamp, and forget about it. But keep in mind, whenever we're using our reciprocating saw, no matter the thickness of workpiece, whether it's 1/4 inch flat bar like this, or a piece of 2-inch square tubing, the teeth closest to the shoe are always going to be in the cut. Naturally, they're going to wear out first. Once those teeth wear out, we recommend that you scoot this shoe out just a touch, so that way we're getting new, fresh teeth into the cut instead of using worn out ones that have been up against the shoe the entire life of the blade. For more information,
visit cwhaydenonline.com to learn more.